Today I am going to teach you about subject pronouns and object pronouns. First of all, let's look at what are the pronouns. Pronouns are words replace noun in a sentence. They help avoid repetition and make sentences sound smoother. So, subject pronouns and object pronouns are two types of personal pronouns used based on their function in a sentence. Let's look at subject pronouns. Subject pronoun is used when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence. It tells who or what is performing the action. Here are the subject pronouns in English. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Here are the example sentences. I am learning English. I am learning English. Here, I is the subject doing the action I am learning. Second one, he plays football every day. He plays football every day. Here, he is performing the action plays. We love to travel. We love to travel. Here, we is the performing the action love. Right. Let's look at object pronouns. An object pronoun is used when the pronoun is the object of a sentence. It receives the action of the verb or follows a preposition like to, for, with, at, about. Here are the object pronouns in English. First one, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Let's look at the example sentences for object pronouns. She called me. She called me. Here, me receives the action called. I gave the book to him. I gave the book to him. Here, him is the object receiving the book. They invited us to the party. They invited us to the party. Here, us is the receiving the action invited. So, now you can understand what are the object pronouns and subject pronouns. Let's compare these pronouns as singular and plural. The subject pronoun I, the object pronoun is me. The subject pronoun is you, the object pronoun is also you. The subject pronoun is he, the object pronoun is him. The subject pronoun is she, the object pronoun is her. The subject pronoun is it, the object pronoun is also it. Let's look at plurals. The subject pronoun is we, the object pronoun is us. The subject pronoun is you, the object pronoun is also you. The subject pronoun is they, the object pronoun is them. So, I hope you understand this lesson well. See you in the next video.